Continuing my notes on the Old Testament according to the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. So, new colophons, right? Numbers 1, it helps to not always account everything at the same time. Numbers 2, divisions of society should have their symbols. Numbers 3, some will be spoken more to than others, and some will be cut off for their strange rituals. Numbers 4, age, materials, and colors are important to the efficiency of endurance, celestial, border, vitality, and sustenance rituals. Numbers 5, testify to the reality of your behavior and be willing to confront the ordeals of doubt. Number 6, some must live more strict lives and mark their dedication by offerings of their body and with specific compounds. Number 7, the offerings for communities should be of different types of subsistence. Numbers 8, lighting rituals can set people apart externally, but they need set apart privately too. Numbers 9, seasons and times of day have both their requirements. Take special care of the representative remains. Numbers 10, chosen by is not the same as being Keith or kin. Numbers 11, if we think we need, we may get, but the blessing we demand may be a curse. Numbers 12, prophets will have dreams and visions that exceed those of the limited to the ethnic. Numbers 13, don't complain about the supremacy of others, but assess real details about the situation and what might be done about it. Numbers 14, ability doesn't mean that God is with you in your actions, but God may stop enemies in unknown ways. Numbers 15, symbolic clothing forms a continual opportunity for transpersonal remembrance. Numbers 16, sacredness is not for humans alone to decide, and material motivations will lead to material disappointments. Numbers 17, the presence may be silencing and stilling. Numbers 18, the temple behavior shall be organized to maximize the anointing and deter the unworthy. Numbers 19, the restoration of people and their barrier can be established by a ritual with a pair of red cows, with the timing, blood, fire, ash, and water. Numbers 20, don't complain against people for what is beyond their control, but glory in the authority that connects you with what you need. Numbers 21, don't be discouraged by other nations existing in places you want to be, but exalt the spiritual methods to save yourself. Numbers 22, don't take bribes nor make people feel hopeful that your morality and ethics could be so bought. Numbers 23, prophets must speak as commanded by divinity and not heed to worldly power otherwise. Numbers 24, when divine favor is realized, step away from the amusements of contrary faith and direct spiritual and physical power. Numbers 25, the death penalty is to set an example. Numbers 26, war is for the developed in strength and abilities, but the earth will turn against the murmurers. Numbers 27, inheritance needs to be determined beyond personal sensibilities. Numbers 28, cooking and other processing of foodstuffs is required in rituals, which have particular times and durations. Numbers 29, call festivities by their own names and try to precisely fulfill their requirements. Numbers 30, Generally avoid oaths, but seek to fulfill your terms. Guardians are those in charge can annul some pacts of others. Numbers 31, the Israelite belief was that God commanded a destruction of the people who worshiped other than Yahweh, like the Christians, and to destroy what could not endure the fire, except the virgin females and half the edible animals. Now, that was what they believed about people who worshiped as if God was a father with a son or any other version of polytheism. I'm just saying that that's what they believed. I'm not saying that that's what we should all just go off and do or something. Numbers 32. Continue towards your real purpose, but you can band together to accomplish something along the way. Numbers 33. Review the outlines of the journeys and placement of your peoples. Numbers 34. There should be regional rulers, and the divisions of the regions should be beyond requests. Numbers 35. Taxes and fines are according to means. Refugee places are established for Israelites who do unplanned or accidental harm. And Numbers 36, guard the inheritance of your people. And I do intend to make a comment for every chapter of the Bible as I'm listening to the program on their channel.